Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make these falling object animations with After Effects. Let's get started. So, vectors from freepik.com, I will add download link and project files. First step, select this background lock layer, then select this books 3, 2 and 1 layers. Right mouse, precoms, add name books, up. Click OK. Then open books composition and select this books 3. Let's unhide other books layers. And select this books 3, press P, make new patching keyframe and go to 10 keyframe. Move to right this keyframe and go to back. Let's move to up this book layer. Okay. And select keyframes, right mouse, ease. Let's see. Okay, select these keyframes, go to graph editor. Let's select this graph, make smooth. Let's move to right this graph. Okay, let's back to keyframes. Go to last keyframe and go to 3 keyframe, 1, 2, 3. Let's move to up a little bit and go to 3 keyframe again, 1, 2, 3. Select this keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V for bonus effect. Let's see. Okay, let's select these keyframes, right mouse, go to keyframe interpolation, change current settings to linear, click OK. Okay, nice. Let's select this keyframe and move to down, like this. Okay, good. Then go to here. Hold Shift, press R, make rotation keyframe and change rotation. Go to here, change rotation 3 and go to here, change -1 and go to here, change 0. Select keyframes, make ease. Let's see. Okay, good. Then select these keyframes, move to right. And select these books, hold Shift, press S, make scale keyframe, move to right and change scale 0. Select keyframes, make ease. Let's see. Okay, good. So select these all keyframes, Ctrl C, and let's select this book 2, unhide, Ctrl V. Let's press U for C keyframes. Okay. Nice. And select this book 1, go to unsolo and Ctrl V. Let's see. Nice. So in this time, let's select this book 2 and press P, select these keyframes and go to last keyframe. Let's move to up like this. Let's see. Okay, good. And let's move to right this layer. Good, very good. Then select this book 1, let's press P, select these keyframes, go to last keyframe and move to up. Let's zoom object. Okay. And let's move to right this layer. Let's see. Okay, very good. Nice. So back to scene 1 and let's see. Okay, nice. Then let's click toggle switch mode and click this icon. Nice. So let's back to books and select this books 3, press U for C keyframes and select this all keyframes, this all positions, all scale and all rotation keyframes. Let's Ctrl Z and close this books composition. Let's select this cup and Ctrl V for paste. Let's see. So let's press P, select these keyframes and go to last keyframe like this and let's move to right. Okay, let's see. Good. Let's move to up this layer. Okay, nice. Let's go to here and select this first keyframe. Move to down. Let's see. Okay, very good. So select this cup, press U for see only all keyframes, and select these all keyframes. Let's Ctrl C. Let's close cup keyframes and select these all layers like this, and let's Ctrl V for paste. Let's see. Okay, good. So in this time, let's open original image from freepik.com. Let's open this image. Okay, this is camera. Let's select camera object like this and press P. Select these keyframes. Go to last keyframe and let's move to up like this. Okay, let's see. Nice. And camera line, let's press P, select keyframes and move to up. Okay, let's see. Nice. So let's select this cactus and let's see. Okay, cactus here and press P, select these keyframes, move to left and up like this. Let's see. Okay, good. Then select this book 4, press P, and book 3, book 2 and 1, press P again. Select all keyframes, move to left and up. Okay, select this book 4, select keyframes, move to right. If you want to move to object left or right, important select with keyframes. Let's move to left again, select these keyframes, move to right. Let's move to left and these keyframes, move to right. Okay, select keyframes, move to down a little bit. And this and this. Let's see. Nice. Let's close keyframes and let's select this color purple. Press P. Go to here. Select these keyframes. Let's move to here. Okay. And color red. Press P. Select keyframes. And move to here. Let's see. Okay, nice. Then select this pen main and pens, all these pen layers. Move to left and let's see image here. Okay, let's move to here. Nice. Then select this pen 1, press P, select keyframes and move to up. Select pen 2, press P, select keyframes, move to up again and move to right. And pen 3, press P, select keyframes, move to right and up. And pen 4, press P, select keyframes, move to right and up. And pen 5, press P, select keyframes, move to up, move to left. And pen 6, press P, select keyframes, move to up and left. Okay, let's see. Nice. So let's close these all keyframes and let's see image. Okay, notebook. Let's select these notebook layers. Where is laptop? Okay, laptop 1. Let's press P, go to last keyframe, select keyframe, move to left and up. And select this laptop 2, press P, select keyframes, move to left and down. Okay, select this keyframe laptop 1. Let's move to up. Let's see. Okay, good. Then select this back. Let's see image. Okay, back here. Select the back, press P. Go to last keyframe. Select keyframes. Let's move to here. Let's see. Okay, nice. So in this time, let's select this smoke 1, 2, 3 and let's delete. And let's select this cup or laptop 1. Let's move to right, and laptop 2 move to right. Let's see. Okay. Let's select this cup down, move to up, and select these cups. Move to right. Like this. Okay, select this cup down, press P. Go to last keyframe, select keyframes. Let's move to down. Let's see. Okay, nice. And select this pen main. Let's move to right. And these pens move to here. This move to here. And this and pen 5 and pen 6. Let's see. Nice, very good. Okay, nice. And let's select this color red. Move to right. Let's move to here, and color purple. Move to here. Let's see. Okay, nice. And books. Let's move to right, and this move to here, and this, and this. Let's see. Very good. And let's select these books up, move to right. Okay, very good. Let's move to left. Nice. And select this camera and camera line. Let's move to right. And camera line, move to right here. And back. Where is back? Okay, let's move to here. Okay, very good. Let's move to left, this back. Nice. So let's press N for select work area, and let's say again. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.